Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these Luxor wire wheels that are going to be going into my Nissan hardbody D21 lowrider pickup. Alright, first of all, let's begin with the wheels. The wheels are 15 by 10 reverse with 100 spoke. That's what they are. I wanted it to be 15 by 10 because I wanted that wheel to pop out of the fenders. So that's what I got, 15 by 10s. Next guys, I'm going to show you these. These are they're called true lock adapters. Now I am going to do a separate video as to how these work, but these are color coded, which means that you don't have to guess as to what goes which side. They're color coded for your benefit. The white ones are going to go on your left hand side, the driver's side, and the red ones are always going to go on your passenger side. Alright, going along, it's going to be the knockups. These are chrome. I want everything all chrome. Again, I'm going to show you how these are going to be placed on those true locks. I'll be doing a separate video on them, and they are also labeled like this one's. They're labeled L for left hand side, and this one is labeled R for right hand side. Now as you can see guys, the chrome is high quality guys. There's no pitting, nothing. It's really nice. That's including with the wheels, the detail, the spokes, everything done to spec. Now I do have these little caps, the Luxor caps, that are going to be going on top of here. I haven't installed them yet. I want to install them once the wheels are on, but these are metal, they're not plastic, and this is the color I chose. They have different colors. I chose black and chrome. That's basically what I wanted. So again, these are high quality, nice. And coming to the end of this Luxor wire wheel introduction is going to be the knockoff wrench kit. What this is, I don't know if you're familiar with knockoffs. Back in the day, they used to have a lead hammer so that you can hit this and tighten it. But nowadays, they have this. This goes in here. Again, I am gonna do a separate video showing you how to install them, how they go and everything, but this is a lot nicer. You do have your breaker bar that's gonna help you tighten it, and you'll be good. So everything is included guys. Again, I got these from Luxor wire wheels. The quality of these wheels are phenomenal. Alright, the customer service is phenomenal. Never had any issues with them. I actually want to thank Alex. He helped me a lot. So Alex, thank you very much, buddy. There it is. Let me show you the inside. They just made them. They actually are, whenever you order them, they're specially made for you. Meaning that the wheels are not assembled. they'll assemble them as soon as you place the order, and they'll assemble them for you. Now they do sell tires. I already have the tires for these. They do sell tires also, and they can come mounted already on the wheel if you want them that way, mount and balanced. I did because I already had the tires. I just decided to go with the wheels, and I'll install the tires here. Now, what tire am I gonna be fitting these rims? These rims are gonna be going on some 205 50/15 tire. That's the tire that I'm gonna be mounting on these rims. It's gonna be a little stretched, not a lot, but that's exactly what I want for that lowrider look. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be the introduction of these Luxor wire wheels that are gonna be going into my lowrider Nissan hardbody pickup truck. And I especially want to thank Luxor wire wheels for sponsoring this video. Guys, thank you very much. This is going to be it. I'm going to bring you another video whenever I mount the tires, and I'm going to install them in the truck so you can see how these knockoffs and true locks work. All right. Thank you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.